was just thinking, for a moment, I had a foolish thought that I was actually running out of things to look through. Nothing could be farther from the truth. For example, here are some discs. And, like here, oh, here's one. Ooh, from January the 2nd, 1984. These are not my discs, so I did not do this one. Paperclip and Gemini 15. So I suspect that that was set up for a specific. Oof, boy, they're stuck. Holy mama. They are stuck. Here's something that says copy disk. 1984 tax returns. Paperclip, Gemini. Typing tutor, word invaders. Might have to have a look at that. Here is something, of course. Interesting. It should be, it's a TPUG disk. And there's a little note here. This disk, this routine will prevent chattering against, the disk head from chattering against the stop in the drive when it is loading a program from a DOS protected disk. Oh. Well, that has nothing to do with what. CTG. I do not remember this disk. See, for a while I was the Commodore 64 librarian. I will have to check this out. What do we have? Paperclip. What do we have? An upside down disk that has nothing. I will have to look at that. Paperclip, work disk, copy disk, the consultant, 1985 tax returns, consultant, Commodore Mathematics, Commodore Mathematics. It could be TPUG disks, I'm not sure. What do we have here? Working. I can't read them. David's Midnight Magic. Looks like a game of some sort. I do not know. Games 4040. Frogger. Sings. Jumpman. Another thing. Special copy. Centipods. Jumpman. Ooh, here's something. Hit Stop 2 by Epics. Zaxxon. General. Interesting. I was hoping that this thing here would finish copying. Oh, here's a TPUG disk. And this is after my time. This is CAA. What is this? This is after my time. It is. This is when TPUG had moved from Avenue Road to Duncan Mills. Which was a foolish thing, done by foolish people. So, what else? Multiplan, Paperclip, 64 catalog, another TPUG disk, turn disk for 64 catalog, 64 June 83. Interesting. Another Testware, Multiplan by Microsoft, Commodore 64. Paperclip. Seems to be new Frogger. Anyway, so this, this is really, it's like going through, it's like a history lesson of, what people have. Of course, oh, are we almost done? We're almost done. And I found within this box another 1541 test demo disc. So I was thinking, just for fun, I will pop this in here, because what I've been doing right now, just to work these disks and disk drives a bit, is I've been copying the contents of the two different test demo disks. Oh, wait a minute, okay. Do we have another input disk ready? Yes, we do. Now I suspect, because this is probably older, that it's probably everything on it is going to already be on there. But I don't know. Who knows? We'll give it a try. It looks to be probably the same. And that's fine. Everything is good to keep the disk drive sort of work. But this one is a random file, F-I-A-L. Looks like a mistake. So I bet you it copies that one. Because I bet you, because it says random fial. Yes, it's going to copy random fial, which is, I don't know what, but I think it's just been renamed, or it was just named improperly before it was fixed, I suspect. So we're just copying that. Anyway, at some point I'll explore this disk box for, I will. Who knows? Maybe the disks work, maybe they don't. They were, they weren't supposed to work forever, but oftentimes they do. So, this is copying. It's all good. I am tempted. What did I see? No, I didn't want that. See, I'm trying to remember, when was it that I stopped being a librarian? That too is another story. Oh, still copying. As much as TPUG was a great, do I have another one ready? No. Was a great organization. There were some people who were difficult. So that is the disk that I was copying from, and this is the disk I was copying to, which is of course, oh, no it is not. This is the disk I was copying to, device 9. So this, it says blank, but obviously it's not blank. So this is the disk I was using to try to merge contents of the different test demo disks together. Now this disk has nothing, or it says nothing, and it is not reading. Well, not found. So we're going to enter that forces the drive to sort of go out and bang the heads and give it another try. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Alright, this disk, it is not reading. Let's try it in the other drive. It probably will do much the same. Oh, well, that is leftover. We will force the head to bang, and to try and read this disk. But I suspect it is not going to. Well, as this disk is not working, and I'm not going to go out of my crazy self to see what's what, I think I will format it. I will just call it empty. And see if it will format. So I've just entered open 15, comma 8, comma 15, comma quote N0, which stands for new, and of course it's 0 because it's drive 0, but there's only drive 0. And I've called it empty, and then for the ID I put EM, and I will close 15. And who knows? Maybe it will format, maybe it will not. Maybe it never was formatted. Maybe it was just a blank, unformatted disk. But it seems to be formatting. It seems to be. Anyway, I'm going to put this disk box into my bin of cables for the moment. And we'll just see if this formats. And then we'll see what else. It's funny. I don't know why, because of course these are different device numbers, I'm not sure. But the activity light on the other drive is also lit up, and I'm not sure why. Does it matter? No, it doesn't really matter. As long as it is formatting, it's all good. Okay, so it's funny. Okay, so it's funny because they are not the same device. I'm sure they're not. If I try device 9, it accesses here. Right. Okay, so let's look at what happened on device 8. It's formatted. Okay, cool. So what we're going to do, just for fun, because we can, is I'm going to take this other copy of the test demo disk. I'm going to load copy all. And we're going to give, oh, it's dark. And it's not late. We're going to give this we're going to go from 8.0 to 9.0. We're going to know we don't want to new the output disk. And I think it's raining a lot outside. So this is copying, or will copy, everything from this disk drive to this disk. And remember, this disk is my scratch disk. This is the one I just formatted, so it is now going to copy everything from the now 3 test demo disks that I have merged. And just give the drives another little workout. So, yes, it's funny, you know, if you're at a garage sale and you happen to come upon an old disc box and you look through and it seems to have Commodore discs in it, probably the little old lady there wants at least $1 for it. You should get them. You never know what's in there. By the way, if I do find any tax records that are really there, I will erase them. I will delete them. I don't know whose this was, but I have no interest in knowing anything about their taxes. I don't. Anyway, enough for now. I'm going to leave this to do its magic and do its copying and work the drives, give them a bit of a workout. So, until we meet again. Bye for now.